The transcript batch report pulls student grades from the student transcript in a format suitable for printing. The report can be generated using a pre-selected template in the Report Options drop-down list, or by using the display options. You have the option of creating a single-use template by clicking the Display Options link. For this example, let's use the template from the Report Options drop-down list. Choose what students to include in the report. You can shorten the list by selecting a specific grade level or using a previously created ad hoc filter. Enter an enrollment effective date. Only students with an active enrollment as of the date entered here will be included in the report. The date auto-populates to today's date. Determine how the report should be sorted. The report can be sorted alphabetically, which will sort students alphabetically by last name. The report can be sorted by grade level and then alphabetical. It will sort by the lowest grade level first and then alphabetically by last name. The report can also be sorted by zip code, which is useful for bulk mailings. Lastly, we can sort by teacher. When teacher is selected, sort options will appear. The appropriate school calendar must be selected. The calendar drop-down auto-populates with the calendar that is displayed in the action bar. The effective date auto-populates with today's date. To sort by the correct teachers, this date determines the term and rotation day. Finally, select what period to use. So with these options, we would be able to sort transcripts by what class students have with an active enrollment as of the date selected during first period. This would be useful if you wanted all teachers to hand out transcripts during the first hour class. The report can be generated immediately by selecting Generate Report, or the report can be submitted to batch. Submitting reports to the batch queue allows the report to generate in the background. This allows you to use other parts of the product while waiting for the report to generate. A pop-up appears with the batch queue reporting options. Mark the high priority checkbox if you want this report to generate at the top of the queue at the start date and time that is entered. The Keep Until I Delete checkbox will keep the report in the queue list until you decide to delete the report. The start date and time will auto-populate with today's date and time, but can be changed if desired. This is where you can have the report generate in off-peak times to reduce slowing system performance. A message appears indicating that the report was successfully submitted, and a notification will be sent to the process inbox when the report is complete. You can view the status of the batch queue in the batch queue list. This list can also be viewed in System Administration, Batch Queue, Admin Queue, or Ad hoc Reporting, Batch Queue. When a report completes, a process inbox message will appear. The student's transcript displays. This concludes how to batch print student transcript records.